Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take long screenshot using accessibility menu option in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take long screenshot. Here I would like to take a long screenshot using here in my web page. So your page should be longer, and to take long screenshot, just first you have to set accessibility menu option to be enabled. So go to the settings in your phone, go to settings here and click on system settings and click on accessibility and click on accessibility menu and turn on the button shortcut and give all permissions and click OK. Yes, it is enabled. This is accessibility menu icon and you can move it anywhere and fix anywhere on the screen. Now go to the screen and click on the accessibility menu icon here and select screenshot icon here, and screenshot be taken. You go to click on scroll in the captured image and image will be scrolling automatically. It will go up to the end of your screen, that is end of the page screen. If you want to stop at the intermediate level, just click over the image and it will be stopped and click on done and it will be processing. Yes, it is the long screenshot using accessibility menu icon. If you want to edit this long screenshot, click on edit tool here and there are various editing tools you can see here. First tool is crop and rotate. You can also further crop it, and also if you want to get rotation you can do it also. You can rotate up to some angles inclinedly. You can rotate. This is the angle and click on done. If your edit is okay, if you are satisfied with your editing, click on done and click on save. This is the long screenshot after editing. If you want to locate the screenshot folder, go to files here and click on internal storage and click on pictures and click on screenshots, and here you will see long screenshot, edited long screenshot. So in this way you can easily take a long screenshot using accessibility menu option and also locate the file in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 4G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.